Hello, my name is Charis Davis. I am a parent leader with the Ohio Parent Advocacy Network, OPAN, and the United Parent Leader Action Network, UPLAN. As the CLASP Early Child Care and Early Education team celebrates its 25th anniversary, I want to convey my sincere hope that you continue to develop parents in this field. My advocacy work has enhanced my understanding and allowed me to engage with legislators at the federal, state, and local levels. I would like to take this opportunity to publicly thank you and congratulate you on this remarkable achievement. I challenge you to keep pursuing this essential work. Thank you and congratulations again.